Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Peacock Way. In this video, I'm going to be doing another mixed media project. I'm using this 6 by 6 watercolor paints, and then I'm using some gel sticks which are from King's Art. So these are like four boxes and different colors in there. Some are like pastels and some are bright colors. So I'm using this bright color and then I'm going to use other colors in this too. So I'm just going to scribble and then use my finger to smoothen it. So by the way, I purchased all these product. These are nice and soft and very easy to use it, and they blend very well. So I'm mixing two colors in this. These are fun to play with also. Like you can do so many things with this. Then I'm going to now, uh, I'm thinking about adding another color in this. Now I'm using my jelly print paper and I'm going to take a small piece and add in this project. Then I'm going to add some more gel sticks. These are like little bright colors. You can add water to this and use it as a watercolor, or you can leave it as it is. So it's a lot of fun to use this gel sticks. Now I'm going to add some stamps to this, some text stamp. Then now I'm going to dry this before I go for the next step. Then I'm going to use this stencil with some acrylic paint. Then now I'm going to dry this. I'm using another stencil and then I'm using black acrylic paint. You could use gel sticks also in this, um, but I'm trying to first add this acrylic paint. Sometimes it becomes too messy, so I think acrylic paint is much better in certain places. Then I'm using another stencil with tempera paint. This is again King's Art tempera paint. This is so nice and thick that you can use it as a molding paste, and it is also bright. Only thing is, you have when you after using this tempera paint, you have to wash it off. Otherwise, it becomes it stucks to those um, stencil. Then I'm going to dry this. Once it dries, it becomes like permanent. But of course, when you add water, again it can reactivate. Now I'm going to use the paint and I'm going to splatter on the top. Then I'm going to do some mark making with the Neocolor crayons. So I'm going to see which focal point will match to this. So I'm trying all different kinds. So I decided with this. So if you have your opinion, can you please let me know in the comments which focal point would look nice on this project? I would like to know your opinion. So now I'm going to add this in this project and finish it. I hope you liked it and enjoyed watching it. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.